We are living at times of great uncertainty, of challenge, and even of risk. It's hard not to get overwhelmed, anxious, afraid, and lose trust. How are we to develop the capacities that we need to cope and to transform and to change our life during these times? How are we going to do a reset or a restart? How can we surf the waves of change rather than be drowned? My new book, The 5 Powers, is based on core traditional Buddhist teachings, which are very simple and very direct and very approachable, and showing us the capacities that we need and how to develop them. Capacities such as resilience, calm, steadiness, mindful awareness, energy, and insight. We have these capacities already, but they're often neglected, and we need some help on how to develop them, and then going out and using them as a toolkit for transformation of our life and the lives of others. I've been teaching Buddhist-inspired teachings to many thousands of people over the last 25 years. And the teachings are not theoretical or mystical or beyond. They're about how they can really transform our daily life with the situations that we meet, such as sickness and conflict and change. You are really welcome to go out and find the book, and I hope that you will enjoy having it, reading it, and having it with you as an inspiration in your life. Thank you.